stakeholders should understand that specifically our taxi operators and taxi guys, brothers in the industry, need to understand that ultimately everybody is depending on the tourism for the business. Already Goa is getting bad name because of the transport, and if situation goes bad to worse, automatically it will get affected big time, in sense that people will, if they have other choices, they will prefer to take other choices for as a destination, because there is a competition everywhere, right?
Yes.
So it's high time that we realize it, and it is not a question of making solving the issue or something. It is matter of to understand that business is there for everyone, and there is no shortage of business as long as you operate ethically and you give options to the customer. Today, customer is the king in all respect. So we cannot tell customer that you have to use this only, you use to that only. So there are other options also, no? Suppose if we say that we are not able to give the transport requirement as it is desired by the customer, they will go somewhere else. So looking into all those things, see, technology is only way forward. We are not saying that you use Goa Miles or use Goa Taxi app or something, but you can have your own system. You can and operate within your this thing. But one thing is very clear: you cannot tell that I cannot pick up guests from this hotel. I cannot pick up from that hotel. It's ultimately business, right? So tomorrow hotels can say that no, my customer cannot go and eat anywhere. You have to eat here only. How you can dictate terms to customer in today's world? We are living in democracy, and it is to be understood that unless you change with the times, it is going to be very, very challenging for the survival for every stakeholder in the industry.
टुरिस्टांक म्हणजे सरकार तो एग्रिगेटरच प्रमोट करूंक सोदता न्हू, सगळे कॉर्पोरेट लॉबीकूच प्रमोट करूंक सोदता न्हू, आनी सरकारान टुरिस्टांक प्रॉब्लम केला न्हू. सद्या लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन क्रिएट जाल्या ती गोवा मायल्स प्रमोट केला म्हणून सरकारान जाला न्हू, गोवा मायल्स प्रमोट केला म्हणून. आमी एप बेस्ड टॅक्सी जी फिजिबल ना ताका आमी ओपोज करतले, कित्याक ती गोश्ट घडोवंकूच शकना न्हू गोंयांत. थंय कित्याक सरकार सपोर्ट करता कित्याक तांकां खावंक मेळटा न्हू मोवीन गुदिनोंक बी. विषय तसो आहा. टुरिस्टांक हरशीं तेंच्यानी त्रास केलात रे, टुरिस्टांक कोणाक घातल्यात रे सरकारान आमच्या. टुरिजम कशें वाडटलें आतां? उरास्कार पळयत न्हू तूं, ट्रॅफीक पुलीस आनी ते हॅरेसमेंट चलता न्हू टुरिस्टांक.
आतां पळय टॅक्सीचो जर इश्यू सॉल्व जायना न्हू सिजना पयलीं, आतां येवपाक जावं ना टुरिस्ट सिजन, जाल्यार तो समज टॅक्सी विशय समज ते जावना, सॉर्ट आवट जावना, जाल्यार आमचे टुरिस्टाक खबर आहा ते डिक्लायन जातले, कमी जातले तातूंत.
तशें आहा. टुरिजम टिकलायन जातलो. टुरिजमाक बरी सर्वीस जाय न्हू. आमी स्टेक होल्डर, टुरिजम स्टेक होल्डर न्हू आमी टॅक्सीकार. आमी टुरिजम हाडलेले न्हू गोंयान. सो सरकार कितें करता आतां एप बेस्ड टॅक्सी एग्रिगेटराक प्रमोट करूंक सोदता न्हू. सो हेजो इफेक्ट टुरिजमाचेर जाल्लो आहा. सरकाराक कळना, सरकार आपल्या स्वार्थाक लागून ते प्रमोट करता न्हू. सो आमचो एकूच डिमांड, आमचे व्हडले सरकारा डिमांड काय ना, आमकां फक्त एप बेस्ड टॅक्सी जी गोंयान फिजिबल ना ती नाका. गोवा मायल्स गोवा टॅक्सी सरकार पळय आपल्या स्वार्थाक लागून हाडूंक सोदता न्हू. प्रत्येक मंत्री जाता आनी तो प्रत्येक आपल्या स्वार्थाक लागून कितें कितें करता न्हू.